Welcome to episode 5, not 100% accurate. And part 1, how to build a Star Wars blaster. I showed you what I made out of the other gun that I had. I'll show you in a minute. The water gun that I got from the dollar store. To me, it looked interesting. Not a water gun, you know. And this what I made it look like a futuristic Space 2 or Star Wars 2, something like that, because I see people make videos and I don't have a 3D printer, so I decided to make my own stuff. That's what it looks like. Remember, it's not 100% accurate, but it looks like it to me. That's one of Phantom Faction pieces. That's a Phantom Faction pieces. That's from a Nerf dart to make it look like the button. That's from one of them little apple sauce juice things. This is the front. That's from Final Faction right here. And that's the tip from a random toy that I had. And to me, I put it all together. It looks like a laser feature, something in space, like a laser, you can cut metal, wherever, maybe, something else. That's that. And then in part 1 of how to build a Star Wars blaster, I call them laser guns. Somebody correct me and say they're blasters. The chopper that you see in there, they have these things on the side. There are the jet engines of the helicopter, I guess. To me, I didn't want to use the helicopter anyway. I put them together, and that's the gap. They got a little hole there, but I always fill that hole up. Sorry, folks, have a little trouble here. When you put them together, to me, it looks like a droid communicator, like in Star Wars when Luke Skywalker calls R2-D2. C-3PO. You're like, C-3PO, where are you? C-3PO. This is one of them that I made. That's a blue button. See what it looks like? That's from Final Faction. That's where you call the droid from. And every time I make a different one, they all look different. This is the second one because I had 4 choppers. I always find the choppers at the thrift store. The last one, I got it from somebody on Facebook for $10. I jumped on that. I go Random Greebly. Forget what that's from. But this is from Final Faction. Again, as you see, I left the 2 wings on this one. And I still got to put some black paint in some water to make it, stand out. And then I'll spray clear. And then my favorite, the one I'm keeping, is this one. Because this one also looks like the communicator. See? You see there? Looks like a little thing here. You're talking to that, and that's the button. So I plan to make another one, of course, much different. That's going to be this one. That's the third one. If I get 100 subscribers and a comment about my video, share my video, and one lucky viewer will get one of these. You get to pick which one you want between one of these 3. When I finish this one, I will show you what it looks like, and you get a chance to win this. So share my videos and give me some likes. Remember, it's not 100% accurate. Episode 5. Thank you.